सर आज वर्ल्ड बायसिकल डे स्पेशल तुमची सायकल रायड हा कितें सांगचे सर तुमकां?
वर्ल्ड बायसिकल डे सेलिब्रेटेड ऑन 3rd of June आणि आज specifically as per the directions of ministry wherein for last more than a year entire country celebrates Sunday on cycle in different parts of the country. Honorable Union Minister himself has taken this initiative and under the aegis and the directions of Honorable Visionary Mission Fit India, Honorable Prime Minister has always been guiding us that we should be doing all kind of activities, physical activities, yoga, cycling, running, walking, and to have Vikasit Bharat 2047. I think such kind of activities are important. And at the same message, Honorable Chief Minister of Goa, Pramod Sawant sir, Honorable Sports Minister, Tavadkar sir, we all have been working on the same mission of Honorable Prime Minister to have fitter Goa and Vikasit Goa 2037 and Vikasit Bharat 2047. I think unless until we remain fit, youths remain fit, the vision of Vikasit Bharat will be incomplete, because we have to work on fitness, and that is how our country will progress. Our country is the youngest country in the world, and I think we should channelize our energy in such kind of thing. So let's have a place today to use such kind of means of transport to have better sustainable development and conserve energy. So let's pledge it today. Thank you.
सर आजच्या दिसा तुमचो सायकलिंगाचो जो रूट हा तो कसो आहा तो आमकां मातशें
We are
सांगता?
just going. See, route is very not big kilometer we are going. But what was the message that we wanted to pass on? That we should be using this kind of mechanism. So we are going from Kampal to Shama Prasad, then coming back to the Kampal. So this is just a message to the public that I think cycling can be best way of mechanism to keep yourself fit and to have a greener energy.
सर आनीक म्हणल्यार रिसेंटली तुमी माउंटेन ट्रॅकाचेर वचून आयला ताज्या बद्दल आमकां सांगचें कसो आसलो
That
तुमचो
was
एक्सपिरियन्स?
mountain expedition was specifically for youths of Goa, and it is to give them a kind of exposure, so that they understand how difficult life is, how the environment is, what are the mountains that we go, and I think they learn out of it. So expedition is to give them kind of temperament, adjustment, and you have to a lot of youths, they go through a lot of I would say problems these days. So to understand how difficult things are in life, but still we need to survive in such situations. So I think mountaineering expedition was a kind of connecting them to the nature, giving them exposure of these mountaineering activities, and having better perspective that they come up with. And it was really enriching. Mountains teaches us a lot of things. We are very small, tiny particle on this planet Earth, and we should know that we are very small. But to understand that, we have to be exposed to many such activities, and this was one of the youth activity that was our department conducted, wherein 120 youths have done expedition.
थँक्यू सर.
हाँ पूरा
Thank you.